Hi, my name's Alex McMahon. I'm the Executive Director for Nursing, Midwifery and Allied Healthcare Professionals for NHS Lothian. It's a post I've been in for 3.5 years now. I thoroughly enjoy the job. Part of the rationale for doing this little video clip was to say why other people should want to be an Executive Director within the NHS at this point in time. And I suppose probably a lot of people are thinking, why would you? And my answer to that would be, why not? There are lots of challenges in the NHS across health and social care, but equally there are huge amounts of opportunities. And I think being in an executive director role such as the one I'm in within NHS Lothian provides you with a huge opportunity to make the kind of changes that we all talk about and that we want to see happening. So being part of that process, being able to influence it at a local level and a national level, and indeed in the regional space as well, I think is hugely rewarding. I would encourage you, if you're thinking about it, to maybe go and shadow an exec nurse director, go to meetings with them, ask them to understand a bit more about their job is. If you ask them about their career progress and how they got to where they are, probably like me, they'll probably tell you a different story. And actually that's okay, because I don't think there's any one pathway into being in this job, and I would probably encourage you to do different things. Probably to test yourself out and see what you really want to do, but all of the experience that you'd probably get will probably help you towards becoming an executive nurse director if that's what you would choose to do. So I hope you do think about it, and if anyone wants to contact me and ask me about my experience, I'd be more than happy to hear from you.